Here, you're on video. Say hi to Vicky.
Hi, Vicky.
All right, jumble this, please.
Hi, Vicky. Hello, baby.
Hi, thank you. Let Dad jumble a little bit too, okay?
See, every time I jumble them, I mess them up.
Here. Jerry, where you going? You can't just twist them back and forth like that, sweetie. They don't.
not.
Oh, okay.
I'm just doing it too fast for an immortal's human's
The
eyes.
normal eyeballs to see.
Right?
Your speed vision. All right, well, look, the trick is, you see that one in the middle? You see the one in the middle
We're
right there?
laughing at Joey, huh?
You got to get rid of all of those matching colors and then flip it over on the side and try to, because that's what messes it
Oh,
up. See?
Austin got his
Don't-
driver permit today.
Oh,
Good
killer.
job, Austin.
All right.
Molly's getting you.
All right, now let's see right here.
You tell these kids there's a video running and they lose their mind.
I know, they start acting like you. Off with your head. All right.
Oh, that did it.
Okay. Here, honey, get your little setup.
All right, thank you. Is it all jumbled?
Yeah, it's jumping.
All right.
Hey.
Okay, let's move that out of the way.
Well, I'm gonna give you a butt whipping.
Okay,
Hey, get
here.
out of here so Mom can finish eating her
Can
chocolate
I-
donuts in peace.
Can you put that on a table or on the piano? Because I'm gonna drop it.
No. She waited till you guys were in the other room.
Thank you. Okay.
She's only got 3 left.
Okay, so here, let's do this. Okay, so there's that. Oh, that's a bad idea. You can put it right here, Joe. I'll just be careful. I just didn't want to hit it. And
Don't want to distract you.
put it in the no, but just set it up on the
Come on, honey,
piano.
it's like you're doing it with stunts now. You're so good you can do it with stunts.
No, I'm not
Yeah.
that good.
Next thing you know, you're gonna have to wear like a thimble, one of them little, like with a tack on it. with your
Oh, to
finger,
do it one-handed?
so you don't get scratched.
Yeah,
No,
right.
Don't do it. Don't do it one-handed.
No,
Although
I'm
you are
not.
pretty talented with one hand.
Oh my God, this is recording. Don't be gross.
But I wasn't even talking about that. Jeez, woman, always mine in the gutter.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so got that. Let's see. Blue and red together. Okay, so then you just do the algorithm until the white goes down. So the white's down now. And then find another white piece. So the red and the green, match it up to its corresponding centers. Red, green. Do the algorithm till it goes down. All right, that piece is in place. Find another white. There's one right there. Orange and green. Orange and green. That one went down pretty fast. Then orange and blue. Okay, so now I have all my bottom. Red, green, orange, blue, white. Now I have to put my edge pieces in. So orange and blue, match the orange up with its center, and then look to see if the blue goes to the right or to the left. So it goes to the right. So you perform this one. Okay, so now the blue edge is in there. On another edge, green and red. Red goes to the left. Okay, so now that piece is in. Find another one, this green and orange. Find green, goes to the right. Okay, and let's see. Well, this is kind of funky, so let's do... Okay, so this blue and red one goes to the right. Okay, so now I have my second layers, green, orange, blue, red, white bottom. Now I have to see which ones don't line up. So the blue and the orange one, and the blue and the red, these two here. So, 2, 3, 1, 2. Thanks, honey. Alright, so green and red, green and orange, blue and red. Uh-oh, no, they're diagonal. Oh, you know what? Oh, that's what it was. Don't do this. I should have done this first. Okay, green and orange.
Then the whole world can see your get up.
I don't want the whole world to see my getup.
That's pretty creative. Yeah, I thought that thing was only for holding napkins.
Okay, green and red. And red, green and red, green and orange, okay? All right. Okay. Okay, there you go. Love you.